My name is Kim. I am a chronic dehydration person. We've been coming to Recharged IV Hydration for approximately 2 years. My husband and I both went to a different clinic across town closer to our house for several years. And when we found out that Sean opened up a place, we decided to come here. I've known Sean a little over 7 years. I am a patient for many different reasons. I live with a lot of different health problems, and I always see specialists wherever I go. And Sean is the first PA that I have ever met that exceeded all expectations. He is so knowledgeable, so personable, has a fantastic bedside manner. I was telling everybody here the story of being in the hospital after he did a surgery 7 years ago, and how he left chocolates on my hospital pillow. My husband and I speak to this day about how between my husband and Sean, I don't even know if I could have made it through those days without those two people. He's very knowledgeable, and I have a lot of appreciation for him. So it was a no-brainer when he and Lindsay opened up this location that we came here. Doesn't matter what you ask him about, he knows about it. I just don't even know how to describe it. It's with me and when our first encounter, it was I live in chronic pain, so he was working for a neurosurgeon. So there's so much knowledge there that then it went to, IV therapy. But it doesn't matter if it's neurosurgery or if it's IV therapy or if it's chronic pain, or he knows about it. He and my husband talk about red light therapy and injections and all the new technology coming out for different things, or weight loss, or I don't know that there's not a topic that he doesn't understand, or even if it is something new. My husband introduced something to him a couple months ago, and instantly he went to start researching it. If he doesn't know about it, he's going to find out about it. And then he passes that on to his nurses. He wants them to understand all their products and all the things that they have to offer. And I just think that there isn't a topic that he doesn't know about, or if there isn't one, like I said, if there is one he doesn't know about, he's going to do anything he can to research it to see how it can benefit his patients. I think it can be for anybody. I started coming out here just for the sake of I cannot take in enough hydration, so I started with hydration years ago just for that basic purpose. But now I've been coming, you learn all about the different things that can be added into the IVs. So when I have flare-ups, I come to get different medications added into the IVs. Now I'm currently sick with a sinus infection, so I again have added different medications. We have brought family members here, my sister-in-laws, my nieces, my great nieces, we've brought people from 16 to 80 here. Everybody's had a different reason to come, and I think it's worth a shot for anybody to come in here to learn. They're far beyond, they do more than just IV treatments. They do a lot more stuff, and everybody needs to just look at the website or ask the nurses here. They're fantastic, and see just what they have to offer. It was not a hardship to leave the other location. I'm absolutely not going to name them, but like at the other location, you could never get in. Every time we called, we would call a day ahead, 2 days ahead, the same day. They claimed they were always full. Sometimes we'd sit in the parking lot and call. There'd be nobody there, and they would still tell us they couldn't get us in. There's never the same nurse twice. It's a different person every time you go in, so you never get to know anybody. There's never the same person at the front counter. It's a different person every time you go in. There's a lot of reasons to not like going there, but we didn't have any other option. We had to go there because at the time it was the only place we could go to. We always recommend this clinic to anybody we talk. Like I said, we've brought many people here and have sent many people here. From the time you walk in the door, the people that greet you at the door are friendly. All the nurses are friendly. They're very knowledgeable. I spoke very highly of Sean and Lindsay. I think us as a community need to stand behind them. They run this business with their heart. They're here not just to make money. It's not about the money. It's about helping the community, helping the patients, and that's the type of person I want to support. My husband and I both are small business, and we want to help those in a small business as well. You know, those are the people that keep the community going, and I feel like that's what we need to do.